I bought the Vivo X80 Pro last year, and about a week after I got it, it slid out of my pocket when I was going to grab something else out of my pocket, hit the pavement. It wasn't a case. Unfortunately, it hit the edge and it cracked. And I contacted GizTop, and they said, go ahead, ship it back to us. We'll get it to the repair place, repair, and send it back to you. And I was going to do that until I started to dig into the cost of shipping stuff there. $200, nearly $200 to ship it there, and then they would have the cost of repairing it, which is pretty cheap, and then send it back to me. But when I started to consider the fact that I'm looking at spending $250 to $300, depending on what the damage is, if it was just the glass, if the underneath display needed to be fixed, if the fingerprint scanner was all right. So I just held on to it. It was working okay. It had some cracks in the screen, but everything else was working. Now recently, the fingerprint scanner has stopped working. So some of you who are looking into buying stuff, just keep in mind if the device gets damaged, if there's not an option to repair it within the country that you reside, it may be more difficult to get it fixed. Also keep in mind case availability and the type of case you use. Just some thoughts on that device. Now, this will not keep me from importing devices. I have the Vivo X Fold, and I love that device. I got a nice case for it. And I think my next purchase will be an import as well. Keep an eye on the channel to find out. Thanks for watching.